So here are the instructions to edit your headshots that you took earlier. For some classes, it could be extra credit. For other classes, it's not extra credit, it's just required. Here's our setup, our studio lighting order. We have front, side lighting, high side, top lighting, under lighting, and back lighting. We're going to create 7 pages in either Photopea or in Photoshop. The images should be in order of the table listed above, this table right here. Each page should have the following. The canvas is 8 by 10 at 150 dpi. All images should be in portrait or landscape format. You cannot mix them or match the orientations. There should be a main photo, the setup drawing, and a photograph of the setup. You're going to number and label each photograph, and you're going to use the same font and point size for all images. There is no white space can show. All images will be full bleed, no borders. The file format is 01_HH for headshots _last name _first name. You'll be submitting JPEGs, and you'll be making 7 images in this order from 1 through 7. So number 1 is front lighting, number 7 is back lighting. So here we see student example Shakti Sanchez. We have front lighting, and you have to number each photograph and label it accordingly. So 01 front lighting. The position of your image should remain in the same location as well. So here it is in the upper left corner. So we have the main photograph, we have the diagram, and then we have the lighting setup. And we can see the same thing for side lighting, 03 side light with reflector, high side, top lighting, under lighting, and back lighting. Here we see another student example, Diego Rosa, who used his portrait view for his horizontal images. It's super important that you decide how you're going to place your images. I recommend, once again, if you have a horizontal photograph, to place it in a portrait landscape. If you have a portrait landscape for main photo, place it in a horizontal format. You'll understand as you review the videos how important that is to get the orientation of each photo just right. So here we see Diego's front lighting, and he has his on the upper right corner, and it's numbered and labeled 01, 02, 03, and so on. Make sure that you use the same font size and the same font every single time. So the same points for every single photograph and the same font. There's no deviation, and there's no mix or matching in your orientation. Either you're going to have a horizontal, which is a landscape, or you're going to have a portrait, which is a vertical. I look forward to seeing your images.